Welcome back to the MakeForms 2.0 tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to verify leads using OTP verification. Adding OTP verification helps confirm that the email address or phone number entered by the user is valid and active. It filters out fake entries, reduces spam, and improves the quality of your leads without adding any friction to the experience. Let's get started. Open your existing form. We'll use the inquiry form as an example. It already has both email and mobile number fields. Click on Email ID field to open the settings and enable the OTP verification toggle. You'll also notice a setting called Verify First. We'll come back to that in a moment. Now do the same for the mobile number field. Let's see what happens when someone fills the form. Once the form is filled and submitted, an OTP is sent to the mobile number and email ID entered. The code needs to be entered to complete the verification step. Only after this, the form is successfully submitted. This helps make sure the contact details are real and only valid entries go through. Now let's take a look at the Verify First feature. Go back to the same field, email or mobile number, and turn on Verify First. This hides the rest of the form until the user completes OTP verification. You can also update the button text, like changing Continue to verify my email. Once that's done, go ahead and publish your form. Now when users access it, they'll first be asked to verify their contact details. And only after that, the full form becomes visible. The verified field shows a green check mark, indicating it's been successfully verified and can't be changed. And that's it. This helps you keep your data clean and avoid fake entries, so you only get real leads. Try it out now, only on MakeForms 2.0.